Hello, I will tell you some feedback about using AVEL TVs. This is the TV that is installed on the kitchen. It has installed smart TV functions, so you can watch YouTube, you can use any type of subscriptions and streaming services. So you can listen to the music when you cook something, you can watch serials, TV shows, anything you want. Also, it can connect to the speakers. These are the speakers on the seal, and here we can get the TV in the up position and see the amplifier for the speakers. This is the sauna TV. It was installed first before any reconstruction works. It is connected to the Xiaomi smart TV, and you can use all of its functions. You can watch YouTube, you can play some games, you can watch Netflix, anything you want. This is the TV in the bedroom. Now it is in the off position, so you can turn it on. When it's off, it's like a mirror. When it's on, it's a TV. It has built-in smart TV functions, so you can watch anything you want. You can watch some translations from the phone, YouTube, any type of what you want. Also, here is connected PlayStation. You choose HDMI and can play some games. It is very comfortable and cool. This TV is connected to the external speakers. They sound really good, and it has external amplifier which can be controlled by the remote. And this system is really cool. It has awesome sound. I like it a lot.